Their life is so simple to the extent that they decided to make their products fragrance free. Hey loves, welcome. My name is Damla. If you're joining me here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, like this video, and share as much as you can. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to identify fake versus the original simple products. Yes. So stick around and don't go anywhere. Alright, let's get into it. Before we get into how to identify fake versus original simple products, I'll be introducing some simple products to you guys, and also I'll tell you the ones specifically for oily skin and the ones specifically for dry skin. So stick around and don't touch that down. Simple has micellar gel facial wash. They have micellar water. They have a toner. They have soothing toner. They have another type, basically, that I'm going to still share with you guys. They have hydrating light moisturizer. They have rich moisturizer. They have replenish facial wash. They have moisturizing facial wash. They have a scrub. They have hyaluronic acid. They have a sleeping cream. I'm not sure if the hyaluronic acid is in Nigeria, but they have a sleeping cream, which I am not sure if it is in Nigeria. Alright, but with that being said, you know for a fact that Simple is got you covered. They have practically almost everything, right? Now, when it comes to the one that you can go for if you fall into oily skin, now stick around, right? Now, for oily skin, you would go with your facial wash. That's if you don't want to use micellar water. If you're not interested in micellar water, you can go straight into your facial wash. Go into your facial wash, right? Your facial wash for oily skin, you can use the replenish facial wash. Then after that, you can go with your toner. They have this particular toner specifically for clearing of death. I think it's called clearing pores or something. Yes, it's really good. I'm going to leave the picture here. So the toner is really good for people with oily skin. Then after that, you can go for their hydrating light moisturizer, as per someone that has oily skin. Hydrating light moisturizer. Okay, now if you fall into the category of someone that has dry skin, you can go in with their micellar gel facial wash, or you can go in with the rich moisturizing facial wash. That is for facial wash. Then the toner, you can go in with the one that says 100% alcoholic free. 100%, is it alcoholic or 100% alcohol free? Yeah, 100% alcohol free. You can use the toner. Then you can now go in with their rich moisturizer if you are under the dry skin type person. And also you can use their hyaluronic acid. Simple has hyaluronic acid, but I'm not sure if it is in this country. So you can go in with the hyaluronic acid if you're in Australia, if you're in UK, if you're in New Zealand. You can go in with the hyaluronic acid if they have it around you, okay? And then you can also go in with their sleeping cream. Sleeping cream is, I think, it's for both the oily skin type and the dry skin type. You can use that one at night. It's just basically a night routine. So it's called sleeping cream. It's a cream. It's a night routine. So then you can just use that, those things I've aforementioned, for your morning routine. And then the sleeping cream for your night routine, your hyaluronic acid for your morning routine, or you can use any other hyaluronic acid of your choice that is not a Simple brand. But because we are on Simple brand, that's why we're talking about Simple hyaluronic serum. All right. So with that being said, now you know what to do if you fall into the category of oily skin type or acne prone skin person. Acne prone skin person can also go for the products for oily skin type. Okay. So, but if you want to use Simple products in general, even if you're someone that has oily skin, or you have dry skin, or you have acne prone skin, or you have sensitive skin type, please always do a patch test at the back of your neck. Do a patch test. I repeat, do a patch test, guys, so that you don't have any reactions, because some people actually use all these Simple products and they react to it, especially the Simple, I think the the simple maybe hydrating light. I'm not really sure this particular simple product that people actually react to. A lot of people react to that particular product, so just endeavor to do a patch test around your neck area before you use any simple product. Let's go straight into R75 Fit from the original without wasting much of your time. I'm just trying to be very detailed. So the first thing you need to check out for is the font and the spelling. Check the font and the spelling. If your font of your simple product is weird, is not the normal way you know simple products should, their font should look like, then you should actually rethink buying that particular product. Also, the spelling are not just correct. Guys, don't be in an hurry to buy your product, especially if you're not buying from some well-known brands that you can actually drag. Yes, you should please, because there's something that you cannot just come back and say, please give my money back. You don't want to start dragging some people, but there's something that you know that when you drag them, they don't even want you to even drag them because they are too big to be dragged. So once they are dragged, they try their possible best to amend things. So they don't want to be dragged. So don't buy your products from a place you cannot drag. Does that make sense? So buy from an authentic store. That's my point. Then number 3, or should I put that as number 3? Okay, let's go to number 3 now. So you buy from an authentic store, and then number 3 is you check the expiring date. Expiring date of certain products at the bottom of the product. At the bottom of the product, guys. Check for the expiring date. It is very, 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 very important. Expiring date at the bottom of the product. Also check the lifespan of your product. Simple product has just 6-month lifespan. If your own product has 2 years or 3 years or 4 years or 5 years or, or 1 year, please, I will beg you to please rethink it, my sisters. Please rethink it. Please rethink it. It should not be more than 6 months. It should not be more than 6 months. I meant the lifespan of that particular simple product should not be more than 6 months. It is 6 months. Full stop. Then you can also check for batch code. You can also check for batch code, but I'm telling you the most important part. Also check for batch code. Also, simple does not have fragrance. Simple doesn't have fragrance at all. Like, that's actually one of the things that makes me like Simple. Their name is really carrying their products. They don't have fragrance. Like, their life is so simple to the extent that they decided to make their products fragrance free. So if you're using any simple products, you're using the root toner, you're using the serum, you're using the cream, you're using the moisturizer, you're using the facial wash, and your own has fragrance in it, my sister, my brother, I'm gonna tell you to please drop it. All right, drop it. Yes, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Also, Unilever is the owner of Simple, guys. Unilever, guys, those people deserve an accolade. Like, they have a lot, tons of products. My God. Anyways, I feel like Dove is still the best shop. Excuse me. Anyways, Unilever is the owner of Simple. So if your own does not have Unilever on it, that means you need to drop it. Like, I don't even need to talk too much about that one. Like, you need to. There's no how you want to buy a simple product and you don't see Unilever on this and you want to buy it. Like, are you serious? Are you joking? Are you playing? Don't play. Don't waste your money. You have just few days. No, sorry. You have just few weeks to Christmas. You want to look good on Christmas Day. You don't want to go and buy a product that will give you so much breakouts. And on Christmas Day, you're just trying to cover your face. You don't want to go out for Christmas. Please be careful. Watch it. With this few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that you should please watch this video and don't miss any part of it. Alright, that's all I have for you guys for now. Really want to come. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and post notification, and please share this video to someone out there. I love you guys. Yeah, bye bye.